Namaste बच्चों. Today we'll start a new chapter, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is कर लो पर्यावरण सुधार. So this is a poem written by Acharya Bhagwat Dubey. The name of the poem is कर लो पर्यावरण सुधार and the meaning is to keep our environment clean. Now let's start this chapter with the summary. Here, through this poem, the author tells us the importance of environment, and he also tells us the problems faced by us because of the cutting of trees. So we all know that environment is very important for the existence of life on our planet. We depend on environment for food, water, shelter, and for other needs. So we should plant more and more trees, and we should protect our environment. Now let's start this chapter. Here you can see Kathin Shabd, that means difficult words, and the words are Nivaran. Nivaran means removal or troubleshooting. Next one, Vipada. Vipada means difficulties. Vyakul means restless. Utpadan means production. Vipul means full. And the last one is Anna. Anna means food. Now here you can see Part Pravesh, that is lesson introduction. This is a short poem and the name of the poem is कर लो पर्यावरण सुधार, written by Acharya Bhagwat Dubey. So the first line, प्रस्तुत पाठ में वृक्षों के काटने से उत्पन्न होने वाले संकटों के बचाव के लिए पेड़ लगाने के लिए कहा गया है. This means that in this poem, the poet has asked us to plant trees to save us from the difficulties caused by the cutting of trees. Let's read this poem. वृक्ष काटकर की नादानी, सूख गया धरती का पानी, सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब. वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी. वृक्षों को हमने कटवाया, हटी शीश से शीतल छाया. आओ सब मिल वृक्ष लगाए, फिर से लौटे घनी घटाए. विपुल अन्न का हो उत्पादन, विपदा का हो सके निवारण. पानी जीवन का आधार, कर लो पर्यावरण सुधार. So this is the poem written by Acharya Bhagwat Dubey. Now let's understand the meaning of this poem. The first stanza, वृक्ष काटकर की नादानी, सूख गया धरती का पानी. Here नादानी means immaturity and the word dharti means earth, our motherland. The meaning of this line is cutting down of the tree is an act of immaturity, and because of this act the land got dried up. सूखे नदी कुएं तालाब, हुआ वातावरण पूरा खराब. Here nadi means river, kueं means wells, talab means pond. The meaning is, now because of this cutting down of trees, the well, the rivers, the ponds all dried up and it spoiled our environment. Next line, वर्षा कम है गर्मी भारी, व्याकुल पशु पक्षी नर नारी. Because of this act, we have less rainfall and there is an increase in the temperature, and because of this, all the birds, animals, human beings, that is men and women, all are worried. Next stanza, वृक्षों को हमने कटवाया, हटी शीश से शीतल छाया. Here sheesh means head, and in this poem this word sheesh represents the trees. Sheetal word means cold. So the meaning of these two lines are, we cut down the trees and because of this there is no shade and the temperature is very hot. Next line, आओ सब मिल वृक्ष लगाए, फिर से लौटे घनी घटाए. So here the meaning is, come, let's plant more and more trees so that we can get back our thick forest. Ghani ghataye means thick forest. Next line. विपुल अन्न का हो उत्पादन, विपदा का हो सके निवारण. Here, anna means food, vipada means difficulties. So the meaning is, come let's plant more and more trees so that there is an increase in the production of food and it will solve our problems. पानी जीवन का आधार, कर लो पर्यावरण सुधार. So here जीवन means life, and the meaning of these two lines, water is the base of our life, so we should improve our environment and keep it clean. So this is a short poem and the name of the poem is Kar Lo Paryavaran Sudhar. Now let's see the Shabdarth, that means word meaning. Here the first one is Kuwa means well, Dharti earth, Sheetal cold, Jeevan life, Vipada difficulties, Vatavaran environment, Vyakul restless, Anna food, Nadani immaturity, Sheesh head. Next one we have Paryavachi Shabd, and here the first one is Vriksha means tree. Paryavachi Shabd is paid. Dharti earth, Paryavachi Shabd bhumi. Sheetal, that means cold, Paryavachi Shabd is thandi. Vipada means difficulties, Paryavachi Shabd kathinai. Next one, Varsha means rain, Paryavachi Shabd barish. Sheesh means head, Paryavachi Shabd sir. Nivaran means to remove, and the words are dur karna, mitana. The last one, Utpadan means production, Paryavachi Shabd is upjana. Now next we have Vilom Shabd. The words are Dharti, opposite word is Akash. Here Dharti means land, Akash means sky. Next word, Kam. Kam means less. The opposite word is Jada, means more. Third one, Chaya means shade. The opposite word is Dhoop, means sunny. So you have to write all these Shabdarth, Paryavachi Shabd, Vilom Shabd in your notebook. Now here you can see you have an activity. You have to read the poem, the two stanzas, record it and submit in Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.